Chewbacca is a force to be reckoned with as he has fought and survived 3 galactic wars. In the prequel trilogy, Chewbacca commanded the Wookiee forces during the Battle of Kashyyyk with the Grand Army of the Republic led by Jedi Master Yoda. During the battle, Yoda's clone troopers received Order 66 and Chewbacca helped him escape the planet. During the original trilogy, Chewie joined the rebellion and fought in the Battle of Yavin as well as the Battle of Endor. Chewbacca was instrumental in the destruction of both Death Stars, Palpatine's first death, and the Empire's end. In the sequel trilogy, he fought in the assault to destroy Starkiller Base, helped find Luke Skywalker, piloted the Falcon during the Battle of Crate, almost died being struck with Force Lightning, and fought in the final battle against the Sith fleet. Chewbacca didn't get a Medal of Bravery in A New Hope after the Battle of Yavin, though we know in the canon Chewbacca series that he received his soon after. In The Rise of Skywalker, Maz Kanata offered him Han's medal that Leia wanted him to have when she died. If you like Star Wars, then hit that subscribe button. May the Force be with you.